Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. For the new viewers, please hit the subscription button and the notification bell for more videos for the coming future. So today in this video we are going to talk about 10 common related French words alongside with their English meaning. So the first word you are going to talk about is souvenir. 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 The word souvenir comes from the word souvenir. Also in English, the same is souvenir. So there's no difference. It's the same meaning, but it comes from the word souvenir. And when you're going in a curio shop, you may hear the word souvenir. So you will hear souvenir. Most Kenyans call it curio shop. So remember, go just drive into the curio shop, and they will be happy and they enjoy the moment with you. Yun ubash. Yun ubash. Yun ubash. Many people will be wondering, why am I saying ubash and there's an A and U? In French there are vowel combination. A-U. A-U means O. That's why you hear me saying ubash. That's why yun ubash. The meaning of the word yun ubash means hostel or an inn. Yun visit guide. Yun visit guide. You may be wondering, why have I pronounced the E? Guide. As you can see in the word guide here, the E is emphasized. There's an emphasis up there. That's why I say you visit guide. You visit guide. It means a guided tour. You sit touristique. You sit touristique. The last word in a name is not pronounced, or in a word is not pronounced. So you say you sit touristique. It means a tourist site or an attraction. Un voyage. Un voyage. Un voyage. It means to travel or a trip. Yeah. The next one is l'hébergement. 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 I'm emphasizing because as you can see in the screen here, there's an H. Many people will be wondering, why is there? Why are you not pronouncing the H? In French, H is silent. H is very, very silent, so you don't pronounce it. And the next word is un guide touristique. Un guide touristique. Un guide touristique in English it means a tour guide. Un guide touristique. Even if as you are hearing to pronouncing first, even if you don't know the word, if you hear it anywhere, you automatically know it means a tour guide because un guide touristique. Yeah. Ambient. When you hear a tourist say to you, je veux un billet, he means I want a ticket. Un dépliant. Un dépliant. Un dépliant means a brochure. A brochure. What is une agence de voyager? Une agence de voyager. Une agence de voyager. Une agence. Une agence. Maybe you are wondering why am I saying une? Agence, it's with that? Fine. So you say yun. So yun are agence de voyager. It means a travel agency. Like me, hit the subscribe and follow my journey. Inspired by Watemoya and I am Maro. As you can see in the channel here. So see you in the next one. A bientôt!